A few years ago, we bought the abandoned 100-year-old house at the top of the hill. It had sat empty for a couple of years with a leaky roof, leaky pipes, and a leaky basement. Of course, we bought it with everything in it. Since then, we've worked really hard to bring life back into this house. We've spent endless hours clearing trees, scraping wallpaper, rewiring knob and tube wiring, and so much more. We've been able to revive several rooms on extreme budgets, all while growing our DIY skill set and stewarding our resources wisely. Catch up on past projects and make sure you're following along on Instagram and YouTube so you don't miss future makeovers. Yes, and yes, we do wear safety equipment most of the time.
Like and subscribe.